Here's a question. Why do native speakers say a big red bus and not a red big bus or a bus red big? Find out why and find out how you can always say it right and sound like a native speaker with this one simple, easy trick. Let's go. I'm Deirdre Nicholas from Palm Tree Teaching TV, your personal English language coach. As you know, I love to give you tips and techniques on how to speak English more easily and sound more like a native speaker. And there are certain little tricks and tips that you can use that will help you on your road to becoming a better English speaker. And one of these is to get the right order of adjectives when you're speaking. Getting this right will make you sound much more natural and fluent. So just listen to this example. A cotton pink pretty dress. Does that sound right? Not really. That's not the language that we would use as a native speaker, and to a native speaker it would sound odd. Instead, we would automatically say a pretty pink cotton dress. Now, native speakers do this without thinking, but you can do it too. It's really easy to get right. This is how you do it. In English, as you probably know, adjectives go in a particular order and they're followed by a noun. Generally, we would use 1, 2 or a maximum of 3 adjectives plus a noun, but generally only about 2. So we would start with an opinion. First of all, a general opinion about the noun that you're describing, such as lovely, nice, awful. And then a more specific opinion. If it's food, you would use something like delicious or tasty. And if it's a person, something like intelligent or friendly. So you could say, yesterday I met a lovely, intelligent lady. Then we would say size, something like big, small or tall. So that lady can now be a lovely, intelligent, tall lady. The next adjective in the order is shape. So round, fat, rectangular, square. And the next adjective that we would use is condition. So something like rusty, dirty, good. Then we would say the age of the noun. So old, young, youthful. So before I talk about what comes after age, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos and lessons. And if you'd like me to coach you one-to-one to really get fluent, then please email me on deirdre@palmtreeteaching.com and I'll put the link underneath the video. I'd love to hear from you. So after that, in our adjective order, comes colour. So red, green, blue, and so on. Then in our adjective order comes the origin, so where it is from. For example, English, Turkish, Indian. So we could say, in the shop window was a new green English umbrella. And then the type of material, such as cotton, wood. And lastly, we would use an adjective to describe the purpose of the noun, such as perhaps cooking or cleaning. So let's try some sentences. He was a nice, handsome young man. So nice is the general opinion. Handsome is a more specific opinion, in this case related to men or people, but particularly men. Young obviously is the age and followed by the noun. Or it's a little red Italian sports car. So this is the size, little, colour, in this case red, origin is Italian, and the noun is sports car. So if you're a learner or a teacher, all you need to do to sound much more natural in the way you speak English is to learn the order of the adjectives. It's that easy. It's a really quick way to sound much more like a native speaker. So subscribe to this amazing channel where you will build your English fast and improve your fluency. So enjoy your English, and until next time, bye!